How to stop autoplay on YouTube app while scrolling and after a video. To do these two things, it can be done in the same place. You're going to want to go obviously onto the YouTube app, then look towards the top right hand corner where you see that little circle where it should have your profile picture inside it. Click on that. That will bring up the account page here. You're going to want to click on the settings at the bottom of this page. Then once you're on the settings page, go ahead and scroll down until you get to muted playback in feeds. Click on that. Then you'll want to click on off. You can also do Wi-Fi only, but most of you will definitely want the off button there to stop that while you're scrolling through the feeds, the video auto playing. And then also you'll see the autoplay section underneath that as well, where it says autoplay next video. Go ahead and click on that blue little scroller there to make it white. That means it will stop the autoplay after the video. So when both of those are done, you're good to go. So leave a like on the video if that helped you out. Subscribe for more helpful videos like this and comment if it helped.